Right, this lesson is on factorise, how to factorise in algebra. Now remember in the last lesson we learnt how to expand, and so if we had 5 bracket a plus b, we expanded it out to remove the brackets, and we got 5a plus 5b. Now with factorising, what happens is that it's the reverse of expanding, and factorise means puts the brackets in. So you're given the answer, what did you start with? So what you're looking for is a common factor, and you place it in front of the brackets. So looking at these two, we can see that 5 is a factor in both of them, so we take the 5 out. We put it in front of the brackets. Now inside the brackets we need to place the number or letters needed to make up the original expression. So what you do is you say, what do I multiply 5 by to get 5a? Well, I need an a. Then plus, what do I multiply 5 by to get 5b? And I need a b. And I have now factorised the 5 out, and we're left with a plus b in the brackets. So let's do a whole lot of examples, and you learn as you go. Right, first one, 8x plus 8y. Now the first lot just have numbers as factors. What's common? Factor is common to both of them is an 8. So I put 8 outside the bracket and I put a bracket in. Now what do I multiply 8 by to get 8x? I need an x. What do I multiply 8 by to get an 8y? I need a plus y. And it's factorised. Now the letters aren't always the same, and so what we look at is what is the largest number that will go into both of them evenly. Now if we pick 9, 9 won't go into 6, or if we pick 6, 6 won't go into 9. So the number that will go into both of them is 3. So put that outside the bracket, put your brackets in, and then you say, what do you multiply 3 by to get 9? 3 3s are 9, so I need a 3, and I need an x. So think back, when I actually expand it, do I get the same thing? 3 3s are 9x, yes. This time I've got a minus sign there. 3 times what equals 6? I need a 2, and I need a y. Now let's re-expand it just to check. Negative 3 2 is negative 6y, check. Okay, look at the next one. What's the highest number that will go into both those numbers? And it's 4. Put your brackets in. 4 times what equals 8a? I need a 2 and I need an a, because remember when you multiply it back out it has to look the same as that. 4 times what equals negative 4? Now if the number outside the bracket's the same as the number in there, you're going to use a 1, and it's just negative. You have to get the signs the same as well. Okay, what's the highest number that will go into 12 and 15? Once again it's 3. Put your brackets in. 3 times what is 12? You have to know your times tables. 4 and a y. And 3 times what equals 15? I need a 5. Or you can say 15 divided by 3. Right, all those have numbers outside the bracket as factors. Now you can also have letters as factors. So what letter is common to both of those? AB plus AC. Oh, A is in both of them, so I'm going to take it outside the bracket, put my bracket in. What do I multiply A by to get AB? I need a B. What do I multiply A by to get AC? I need a C. Done. Next one. What's common? Oh, an X is in both of those. Nothing else is common. Pull your X out, factorise it out, and I need to get a 4 there. Take away, and what do you multiply x by to get xy? I need a y. And always recheck. 4x minus xy. Yes. What letter's common? An m. Factor it out. I need a 3 in the first part of the bracket, and I need a 5n in the second part. And this one here, and pull an s out. What do you multiply s by to get rs? I need an r. What do I multiply s by to get ts? I need a t. Recheck it, and it works. Right, sometimes you have numbers and letters as factors. So let's try the next lot. Okay, look for numbers first. I've got a 2 in there and a 4 in there. So I can factor a 2 out. 2 is the highest number, highest common factor. Are there any letters in common? Yes, there's an x. I can pull an x out as well. Put your brackets in. Ask yourself, what do I multiply 2x by to get 2x? Now it's the same, and so you just put a 1 there. What do I multiply 2x by to get plus 4xy? Okay, numbers first. I need a 2. That's a plus. And I've already got an x here, so I need a y. Does that check out? 2x times 2y is 4xy. Yes. Okay, next one. 6 and a 9. Highest common factor is a 3. And an m is in both of them, so I can factor that out as well. Put your brackets in. What do you multiply 3 by to get 6? I need a 2. I've already got an m there, and so I need an n. And double check. 3 2s are 6 mn. Yes, when you multiply it. Plus 3 times what equals 9? I need a 3. And that's all I need, because 3m times 3 is 9m. Check. Okay, next one. We can take out a 3. We can take out an a. That's it. Put your brackets in. Find out what's inside the brackets. 3 times 3 is 9, so I need a 3 here. Already got an a, and so we need a b. Now, so take away. 3 times what is 12? I need a 4. And I need a c. Great. And the last one. 2 and 6. So I can factor out a 2. Oh, there's an f in both of them. There's a g in both of them. And that's it. Now, what do I multiply 2fg by to get 2fgh? I just need an h. And what do I multiply 2fg by to get 6fgj? Okay, I need a 3. I've already got an f and a g, and I need a j. Done. Okay, what if you have powers as factors? Now in this case there's no numbers in common, but there's an x in each one. So same principle. What do you multiply x by to get 2x squared? I need a 2 and an x, because when I multiply those two together I get 2x squared. Plus, what do I multiply x by to get 3x? I just need a 3. Okay, the last one. Number common, highest number common factor is a 4. Now, there's a y cubed here and a y squared here. So I can actually pull out or factor out a y squared. So what do I multiply 4y squared by to get 4y cubed? I just need a y, because that would make it into a cubed. Minus, because there's a minus sign there. 4 times what equals 8? I need a 2. Y squared, and so let's check. 4y cubed minus 8y squared. Check.